Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, October 24th, 2023. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. This is a daily time frame chart and we are going to do an extensive analysis of this situation because of the recent very nice, very solid breakout to the upside. So for now, let me just make my awesome oscillator a little bit smaller. For now, let's just take a look here on the bigger picture, on the bigger perspective, right? As far as we are concerned, we had finished the big cycle in 2021 with all-time high, roughly around 68,000 tethers, and then we've been sliding lower towards this low. This is the low from the end of the November 2022. So that was the very big cycle high or top, and this is the corrective cycle. Now our plan is to count this situation here in favor for bulls as an impulsive scenario to the upside. So basically this movement to the upside will be considered as the beginning of the another uptrend on the Bitcoin. Okay, so we have finished one uptrend with that top, then we got the correction, okay, and now we are about to start, or we are in progress of another uptrend on the Bitcoin. Okay, so if that was covered, let me just come back to the newest data. As you can see, this is daily time frame chart. Let me just zoom out for you to see the perspective. I think that would be the best one. Maybe one more. Okay, so this is what I want to show you. I want to show you this high here, 48,000 tethers, and we are start our analysis from the lows of the 2021. We need our Elliott wave tool, so I will not get into the details that much. What I want to show you guys is that according to my analysis, we have done 5 waves to the upside on the Bitcoin. So we got 1 2 3 4 5 waves here, let's say somewhere around here. All right, so that's the 5-wave cycle which has been completed. Let me just play with the with it just a little bit, and that's our minor cycle. So we got the 5 waves to the upside. Okay, that means the last wave here, the wave 5, is as well the wave number 1 of the bigger cycle. So let's just put number 1 here, make it thicker, make it nice, and this is the wave 1. Now this is the correction which will be labeled as the wave 2, as a corrective cycle. It's very typical for the wave 2 to go to towards the area of the previous wave 4, and it looks like a ABC pattern to the downside, maybe some sort of the let's say a double zigzag to the downside. Nevertheless, my point is that this cycle might be easily considered as the corrective cycle to the downside on the Bitcoin. Okay, so that is clear. And now what we are going to do is we are going to witness the development of the wave number 3, the strongest of the waves in the cycle of the Elliott wave cycle, right? So we are counting this wave here. We are done with this one, but on the larger scale, we are done with the wave number 2. On the larger scale, now we want wave 3 to be present, unfold on the market, then wave 4, and of course wave 5. So based on this situation here, what are the projection for the wave 3? Where is the potential target for the wave 3 on this market? Let me just take my, let's say we will use the Fibonacci trend based extension, right? So we are going to use, of course, the whole length of the wave 1, and this is it, and the length of the wave 2. Okay, so that's the low. And right now what we can say about it is, first off, we will have to switch we have to play a little bit with the Fibonacci levels, because I want to show you this kind of the levels here. The trend line might stay here. I want to extend the lines and make them in percent. Okay, so the typical target for the wave 3 is 100% extension of the wave 1, which means $40,950 is the first target of the wave 3. So there's still some kind of a ground to be covered, but in the case of the further extension, we are going to touch the level of 50,807 Tether. So that's the level of 161% of the extension of the wave 1. Okay, so that's a very nice target for this wave progression. So let me just show you guys that in that situation we will break above this technical resistance as well, 48,000 Tethers, and we will head even higher. Now if we add our momentum analysis to it, let me just take a look if everything is seen. Yes, everything is okay. So we got first targets for the wave 3. Okay, let me point out these levels for you guys to be 100% sure what I'm talking about. I mean, let's see this one. I mean this one, and one more above, which is of course this one. Those are the targets for the wave 3. Potential targets, there can be more targets, more Fibonacci clusters made out of this situation. Nevertheless, this is still not the point, not the time to talk about it. We just want to do the scenario, bullish scenario for the wave 3 of the Bitcoin. Now, where is the catch? Okay, where is the catch in this analysis? This is a cycle analysis, Elliott wave, based on the Elliott wave theory. So the catch is that the wave 3, right now, the wave 3 cannot unfold back down. So if we will see that the market goes here down below to 31,561, that's the first warning sign. It's not straight on invalidation of this count. Nevertheless, it's a warning sign. And then the other warning sign is of course this level here, the bottom of the wave 2, 25,000, let's say roughly 25,000 Tethers. If we break below this level, then the whole situation is invalidated. The situation is of course bullish scenario, bullish wave progression, bullish cycle for the Bitcoin in wave 3. So right now targets are on the chart. Momentum is in favor of this market. Very nice, very strong movement to the upside had been noticed on the Tether market. Very nice wave progression to the upside, very dynamic. A lot of the volatility is here, so just as we expected it to be, right? So this is exactly how the wave 3 should unfold. You can see it here. That's the internal wave 3 of the wave 1. That's the internal wave 3 of the wave 3. You can see only green candles to the upside, only green candles to the upside, only green candles to the upside. And this is exactly what we want to see here. That micro cycle here should be repeated now on Bitcoin if our scenario is correct. Okay, so this is what we should see right now on the Bitcoin. If the wave 3 will unfold to the upside, we got the invalidation levels, warning level, invalidation level. Let's see how this market will unfold in the future. Thank you very much for watching this analysis. Thank you very much for being here with me, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care, watch the levels, happy trading, bye bye.